darkness is your ally. You merely adopted the dark. I was born in it, molded by it. I didn't see the light until I was already a man, and it was nothing to me but blind.
After a long day, making these songs pay. They bump in one direction, I think it's the wrong way. And I've been feeling like the lyrics that I write, well, they need to make sense, like spirits taking flights, new heights. Yeah, that's where I'm trying to go. Real Housewives, the game's filled with drama, so Kevin Hart from the start, I find it comical. And I need change, so I got that Obama flow. Whoa, now is this game getting too strange? Niggas bumping Waka Flocka, Grammys go to 2 Chainz. I ain't really that impressed when it comes to new names, and that's just up and down from my crown to my shoestrings. A veteran but feeling like a rookie, about to take everything they owe, I'm like a bookie. And you made a bad bet, want what I ain't had yet. Caught up in these issues, magnets.
Dreamed I was missing, you were so scared, but no one would listen.